In this video I'm going to wash my car for very cheap, ceramic coating on my car for a fraction of the money of a professional service, using only these 3 products and 2 of which are turtle wax. Close kids. Yeah, and my idea is to wash my car today using this ceramic wash and wax, which will offer a good protection on my white car paint, and then top it off with this ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, also by Turtle Wax. And before that I'm going to apply a cheap snow foam from Germany. I really like this one, the Robbie Rob, because it smells like Aprikosen, and that's a very rare duft that I really like. Let's go. So, sehr schön. So I always make sure I spray it everywhere, and this way all the dirt will loosen itself and have a very nice pre-wash. Especially here in the corners, I like to go with this thing and then spray there to make sure I remove all the road salt. And let me know where you're from. I'm from the Netherlands, there's not too much road salt here, but sometimes I go to Germany and road salt is an absolute killer for your car, so make sure you remove it every now and then. Yeah, and these are these areas here that I always like to spray extra, because these are the particles that can really scratch your car. Oh, verdammt. And I make sure I spray them multiple times before I go to the main contact wash. So, sehr schön. Just blast all that dirt off. So, onto the Turtle Wax ceramic wash and wax. I'm going to use 100 milliliter for about 10 liters of water. That should be enough. More than enough, most likely. Yeah, I really like it. It smells good. It doesn't foam too much, as you can see, but it cleans really well. And you'll see that when I rinse it, that there's already good ceramic protection on there. So that's very quick and effective in the winter. Yeah, and that's why lately it has become my favorite routine. And then with a bit of spray on, it will work even better. Now you will see how already the ceramic shampoo is starting to work. See how the water just sheets off the car. And we're going to see nice beading later on. And this product is actually doing all the work for me already. I'll finish the car and then we'll do the spray. Sehr schön. You can really see how the shampoo alone already leaves these very nice droplets. And that resembles dirt rolling off your car in the winter. And that's exactly what we want. We want to have nice, shiny, bright cars, white cars in my opinion. And make sure that they stay cleaner longer, so that also the washes in between are nicer. Here in the window you can also see this really well. And now we're going to top it off to make it even perfect. Perfection. Let's go. So the car got, I would say, 95% clean. There's still some places out there where I've seen some very tough traffic film. I was unable to get it off with the contact wash. I was also in a hurry because there are all these people there that wanted to wash their cars. And I of course don't want to block the spot non-stop with my Hollywood grade movies that I'm shooting for you guys. So I went back to my favorite parking garage, and now let's observe the car. Yeah, and I really like how with this shampoo you can be done very quick in and out of the car wash. And you can already have some nice protection on the car. You can see how here it beads really nice. Hello my little friends. And also the shine is great. And this car was very filthy, it was very dirty. So yeah, you could leave it like that, but I think I can make it even better. I'm going to be applying this Turtle Wax ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. I'm going to apply it wet. And actually what this product does is it leaves this nice ceramic protection. I think in my opinion it's going to be a nice topper for this shampoo. Stay cleaner, nicer and longer. You can use it as a waterless wash. I wouldn't do that in the winter, maybe in the summer or in the spring, you know, when there's dust and things like that. Even if I miss some spots where there's still traffic film or some dirt, this product is going to be very forgiving and not punish me for my inaccuracy and my mistakes. So it should protect the car from scratches and things like that. And that's why I think something like this in the winter, it's going to be very nice. So let's see how it sprays and apply it on the car together. Yeah, normally I'd be using these microfiber towels to buff on and buff off, but now since I need to dry, I'm going to use my drying towel and the Turtle Wax. Probably I'll be loading my towel with this turtle wax product, but yeah, I don't care so much. I'll wash it a few times and then it'll go out. And then I think I'll dry my car and protect it at the same time. Let me know if you've tried something like this and whether it makes sense. And I would like to hear from you. Oh yeah, and by the way, did you ever put a real ceramic coating on your car? I've never done that. I've read a lot of good things about it. I don't know how long it lasts. It seems to be very expensive. But yeah, is it easier to wash your car? Is it worth all that money? Yeah, I mean, I don't have a supercar. It's just a white Opel Ampera Chevy Bolt EV electric car. I really love it. But yeah, is a ceramic coating worth it? Or if you do something like this, what I'm doing, is that good enough? Yeah, let me know and write me in the comments. First thing we have to do is shake the product well so that the ingredients get mixed. Well, there's a really thin mist. Thin mist is good, but yeah, make sure you do it out of the wind. This I really need to do inside or in the garage, else it will just blow everywhere. So I'm going to spray a few times, and then I'm going to get my towel. So here I'll spray a few times. Try not to spray on the window. Maybe here on the side also. Might as well do this side also. Oh yeah, and what I also like to do is just spray, let's say, 1 or 2 times in the towel before I go on the paint of my car with this product. It is a very pleasant smell, a bit fruity. I believe I already sprayed a bit too much. Maybe you can see that here. Already stripes a little bit. So I need to make sure that I spray less of it. Yeah, I like it drying and protecting at the same time. Saves me again a bit of time in the winter. How often do you wash your car in the winter? I really like to keep this one looking good. But I'm really paranoid with road salt and everything that it can do to your car. So yeah, I try to do it, of course, as often as I can. But I'm also a bit lazy and I have other things to do. So I think usually maybe once per month I do this. I think I need to do it more. If it's really bad, yeah, I try to hose it down a little bit. You let me know how much you wash your car where you're from, and yeah, whether you would do something like this that I'm doing here. Here I didn't clean the car well enough, so I'll just spray a bit of extra on there. And then I can just wipe it off, knowing that because of this cleaning capabilities and yeah, it not being, let's say, providing extra glide and moisture on the paint, is probably safer. And that's what I like it, because yeah, the product helps me to clean my car if I was incapable to do it. Sehr schön. See how nice that beads off the car. I really like that. See, one spray and whoo-hoo, there go the droplets. This product is really working well, and yeah, so far I'm quite happy with the result. Let me know if you also like droplets like this, and yeah, do you think they're good? Should they be any better? I think this is the great proof that the protection is started to work, and the ceramic Schutz protection is on my car. Sehr schön. So, let's look at the final result together. The car looks absolutely fantastic, has a fantastic shine. Very white, very pretty. I can really see how this double combination of the ceramic shampoo and then the ceramic spray with built-in washing wax did the car really well. I was able to remove most of the dirt with the manual car wash. Yeah, but then when I went with this wash and wax, I was able to get all the dirt off, and I didn't need to be worried I would be scratching the car because of the waterless wash capabilities. Also the back body of the car, sehr schön. I think this car can show itself again in the Netherlands, in Germany on the Autobahn, and wherever life takes me. Very beautiful, also the wheels. And of course, it's not a professional ceramic detailing job that takes really long and costs much more money. But we got a very cheap German auto shampoo mit Aprikosenduft. Very cheap, very nice. And then 2 premium products from Turtle Wax, one of my favorite brands, the ceramic wash and wax, and then this detailer spray. I am very happy with the final result. Let me know how you wash your car in the winter. And I hope to see you again in the next video. And wishing you a fantastic winter with great car wash and shiny wheels. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.